right. Hello. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at Credential Manager, Delinea Credential Manager, and how that works within Secret Server and the platform. So let's get right to it. So we're going to come over here. We're going to look at our extension that we have, and we're going to click on the Credential Manager, and we're going to see that it's going to pull back all the secrets that we have access to within the environment, and we can see it's nicely organized and alphabetical, and we can not only get to web passwords, but we can get to Active Directory accounts as well and sort through them and search through them. We can share them out, and we can see ones that are shared out with me, all the way to the most used, and then we get into the recent secrets that are there, and then we have our favorites that we can access as well. So you see all these that are within Credential Manager. This is a new extension that we have within Delinea for managing secrets directly within the browser, and this also would give the user the capability to not only manage and access secrets, but we can also add them as well. So we can add them with the plus sign there. We can select our template. So again, this is a nice upgrade to what we used to have with within Secret Server and our web password filler, which was only available for web passwords. But what we can do is now we can select Active Directory accounts, and we can add them directly into the system directly from the extension. So that is a nice feature to have, saves some time, and gives convenience to the user. So thank you for watching.